Today I am going to show one of the new projects. It's a solar tracking system using the sensors. Also we have attached power generation system here in this model. So this is the project model of solar tracker system. As you see, this is the solar plate. We use the 40 watt of solar plate here with gear mechanisms for the rotating. Also we attach two LDR sensors at the top. This is the control unit at the bottom. Okay, so let's see these things. So as you see, this is the control board units of this projects. So in this projects, whatever the energy we obtain from the solar panel, it goes to the DC to DC boost converter modules, and then it's stored in the battery. After that we use Arduino control board with LCD display unit. Also we use the control board for the LDR sensors and motor driver unit. Okay, and this is the output load, AC load for the power generation system. So let's see how this project works. So let's switch on the project first. As you see, the project name is written. Also the panel is in stable mode. Okay, so let's see how it works with the sunlight. So guys, this is one of the LED light I use here for the light purpose, and this is the two LDR at the two end of this solar panel. So let's see how this tracking mechanism works. So when I put light on LDR sensor, as you see, the direction of solar panels in 45 angles along with the LDR sensor 1. Also we use gear mechanism here. Next, when I put the light in another area, so it is rotating in another direction. Okay. Okay, so like this. So like this solar tracking system works. Now let's see how the power generation systems at the output we use along with the inverter module. So whatever the energy we obtain from the battery, stored in the battery, we utilize at the output. Okay, so let's see. So as you see, the LED light glow. That means whatever the energy we obtain, we have utilized it at the output by AC loads. So in this way, the solar tracking system with the power generations and along with the two LDR modules is implemented in this project. Hope you guys like this type of the project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.